The launch of the PIDSS Health Economics and Finance Program will strengthen our collective capacity to reduce the financial impact of healthcare. Tutulungan po natin at pagtutulungan natin na may transform natin ang isang PhilHealth na mabilis, tapat at mapagkakatiwalaan. At kailangan po yung tulong ninyo dahil napakalaki po itong hamon na hinaharap namin. Muli, maraming salamat and congratulations to the Philippine Institute for Development Studies on the launch of your program.